Hey kids! Welcome to Colorful Creators. Today, we are going to play a super fun game called Guess the Color. Let's get started. What color is the sky? Is it blue, green, yellow, or pink? That's right. The sky is blue. What color is a banana? Is it red, yellow, purple, or blue? Great job. The banana is yellow. What color is a leaf? Is it green, orange, black, or white? Awesome! The leaf is green. What color is an apple? Is it brown, blue, red, or black? Yay! The apple is red. What color is an orange? Is it yellow, orange, pink, or green? Correct! The orange is orange. What color is milk? Is it red, white, purple, or blue? Yes! Milk is white. What color is a sunflower? Is it yellow, pink, red, or green? Fantastic! The sunflower is yellow. What color is a strawberry? Is it blue, green, red, or white? Great! The strawberry is red. What color is chocolate? Is it brown, yellow, blue, or green? Yummy! Chocolate is brown. What color is grass? Is it red, green, purple, or blue? Awesome! Grass is green. What color is a carrot? Is it blue, orange, red, or green? Correct! The carrot is orange. What color is the sun? Is it white, yellow, red, or purple? Right! The sun is yellow. What color is a grape? Is it pink, red, purple, or green? Great guess. The grape is purple. What color is cotton candy? Is it pink, black, red, or green? Sweet! Cotton candy is pink. What color is the ocean? Is it yellow, red, blue, or white? Yes! The ocean is blue. What color is a lemon? Is it purple, yellow, black, or red? Right! The lemon is yellow. What color is a pumpkin? Is it blue, red, orange, or pink? Correct! The pumpkin is orange. What color is an eggplant? Is it green, yellow, purple, or brown? Great job! The eggplant is purple. What color is a cherry? Is it blue, white, green, or red? Yay! The cherry is red. What color is a watermelon? Is it green, purple, blue, or brown? Awesome! The watermelon is green. Wow! Great job, kids! You're amazing at guessing colors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. See you next time on Colorful Creators. Bye-bye.